Assalamu alaikum friends. I hope that you all will be fine. Today in this lecture we are going to discuss about the importance of legal research and written arguments in oral proceedings. Before this lecture we are done with how to do a legal research. But today in this lecture we are going to discuss about the importance of legal research. What to do with legal research? For example, when you are done with legal research now, what to do with that? So when you're done with legal research, apply the law with your moot problem during oral arguments. आपने जो है आपने arguments बनाए होंगे ना, उन arguments के साथ you have to use the legal research which you have found. For example, the case laws, for example, the authorities, these all things you have to use them with your arguments. This is simply the importance of legal research. Make sure what are you going to argue आप क्या करने जा रहे हो. Mainly two things are mainly argued. First is your arguments which you have made regarding the case law, and second one the authorities precedents. So all the things. This is simply the importance of legal research. Now there are legal research helps to distinguish cases. There are mainly two main kinds of cases. First is authoritative kind of case, and second one is persuasive kind of case. Authoritative kind of case का मतलब होता है ये वो केस लॉज होते हैं, ये वो प्रेसिडेंट्स प्रीवियसली डिसाइडेड केसेस ऑफ हाई कोर्ट्स या एपेक्स कोर्ट्स के वो केसेस होते हैं जो सबॉर्डिनेट जो कोर्ट्स होती हैं, जो नीचे वाली कोर्ट्स होती हैं, जो छोटी कोर्ट्स होती हैं, वो जो है इन केसेस को फॉलो करती हैं और वो बाउंड होती हैं दैट दे हैव टू फॉलो दीज केसेस. But when we come on the persuasive nature of cases, in this situation, the subordinate courts are not bound to follow the case laws, to follow the precedents. ये सिंपल डिफरेंस है इन दोनों में. तो इन चीजों के बारे में भी, इन चीजों का डिफरेंस भी लीगल रिसर्च हमें बताता है. Sometimes only cases are your sole arguments. For example, there is an issue in your case law, और उस केस लॉ में जो इशू है उससे रिलेटेड आपके पास जो है कोई भी ऐसा कोई परफेक्ट फैक्ट नहीं है जिससे आप जो है जज को जो है परसुआड कर सको. आपके पास जो कोई ऐसी परफेक्ट पॉइंट नहीं है बाय व्हिच यू कैन persuade the judge. In that situation you can use the case law which you have found by doing legal research. So that is only your sole argument. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon. Also share this video. Then come on the how to read judgment. किस तरह judgment को पढ़ा जाता है. Elements of reported judgments. First is citation. Citation क्या है? Before this lecture we have done with citation. That what citation. So go back to that lecture, part 1. In that lecture you will come to know what citation. Then the court. First you read the citation, then court. In which court there's your case, then members of the bench. If it's a single member bench, then no need to know about the members of bench. Then names of parties, means who is against the person. Then case number, and then against what or what sort of petition. Let's go in deep again. How to read judgment. In the top of this one here, you are with citations. Come citation कहते हैं. Then the court name, Supreme Court of Pakistan. Then the judges, President Javed Iqbal and Saeed Arshad JJ. And then these are the two parties: SH Mohammed Rafiq Goreja versus Islamic Republic of Pakistan. It's which kind of case? It's of civil petition. So this is simply the way that you have to know about the judgment. जब आप जजमेंट आपके सामने आती है तो आपको मेनली फर्स्टली इन चीजों के बारे में पता होना लाजमी. दिस इज सिंपली द वे टू रीड द जजमेंट. देन द रोल ऑफ रिसर्चर. किसी भी मूट कोर्ट कंपटीशन में किसी भी टीम के पास कुछ मेंबर्स होते हैं जिसमें स्पीकर्स होते हैं और उसके बाद एक रिसर्चर होता है. व्हाट इज द रोल ऑफ दैट रिसर्चर? रिसर्चर इज नथिंग बट अ लीडर, and the order of a leader is binding on all the members, all the rest of members. They have to follow what research is saying about. If the instructions are binding on a moot team, a good researcher contributes a lot. Thank you guys. Share the topic. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my video and channel both. May God bless you all.